Ano sabi ng Lord? You have been chosen. Isipin mo kumbaga sa dami ng taong yan, pinili ka daw ng Diyos. So para piliin ka, there is something that God saw. Tama ba? So you're chosen. And sabi niya, holy. Hindi ka lang pinili, you are set aside. You are holy. Parang naalala ko lang po, sa Israel, pati sila may mga, di ba, they were chosen, they were considered holy. Naalala nyo? And they were instructed, ganito yung gagawin nyo, ganito kayo kumain, ito pagkain ninyo, ganyan. May sarili silang law. Tapos naisip ko, sabi ko, we are chosen, we are holy. So, kahit na yung law ng buong daigdig ay ganito, we don't need to follow that law of this world. We are to follow the ways of God. Parang hindi ko kailangan, kunyari ganito, nagtatalo-talo tayo, may divorce law. So what? Kahit may divorce law yan, hindi naman atin yan Para doon, kaya sabi ko sa kinakasal kahapon, kahit may divorce law, may annulment, alisin nyo yan sa bokabularyo ninyo.